Hi everybody, so here's day 2 of our maths for this week. Here's some retrieval questions to start you off. The first one says, can you recite the 10 times table? So I'll do that one with you. You ready? 0 times 10 equals 0, 1 times 10 equals 10, 2 times 10 equals 20, 3 times 10 equals 30, 4 times 10 equals 40, 5 times 10 equals 50, 6 times 10 equals 60, 7 times 10 equals 70, 8 times 10 equals 80, 9 times 10 equals 90, 10 times 10 equals 100, 11 times 10 equals 110, 12 times 10 equals 120. Okay, so now you can give yourselves 5 minutes to work out 1/4 of 12 and half of 10. And then when we've done that, turn the video back on and we'll say the days of the week in the order as well. So pause the video for now. Okay, so the second question was 1/4 of 12 equals. Well, did you notice 1/4 has 1 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator? We need 4 equal parts. So I'm going to draw 4 boxes. And it said 1/4 of 12, so I'm going to share 12 dots between the 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many quarters did we need? 1/4. The numerator was 1, so just circle one of those 4 parts and count the dots. 1, 2, 3. 1/4 of 12 equals 3. Okay, this other one at the bottom said 1/2 of 10 equals, so that's like we were doing yesterday. We need 2 parts because half is one of 2 equal parts. We need 10 dots to share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because the numerator is 1, we only need to count the dots in one of those parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half of 10 is 5. And can you say the days of the week in order? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, well, we're going to be doing some work with days of the week today. So if you can write the title days of the week in your book and your WE for the worked example, and pause the video while you're doing that, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to start with our days of the week song, so join in please.
Hi kids! Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Great job! Now, let's sing it quietly.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Well done! Now, let's try it really loud.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Fantastic! Now, let's sing it really fast.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay, well done everybody. So let's move on. What we're going to do today is look at the days of the week. Okay, it doesn't really matter which day comes first as long as the next one is correct. So this chart starts on a Sunday. And our first question is, what day comes after Tuesday? So we've got to look for the one that comes after Tuesday. Okay, shall we have a look? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The next one, the one that comes after, is underneath. There it is, Wednesday. So question 1, the answer is Wednesday. Make sure you spell it right. It's on the chart. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can get the bit at the top of my screen to disappear. That's better. Okay, so number 2. We've got to read the question carefully because it's not asking for the day after. It says, what day comes before Friday? So I've not got to go to the one after, I've got to go to the one before. So watch how I do it. There's Friday, the one before. It's Thursday. I had to go up my list of days to find the day that comes before Friday. So it'd be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We say Thursday before Friday, don't we? The day before Friday is Thursday. So when you're writing this in your book, don't forget, when you're writing words, you don't need to put every single letter in its own box. Okay, you can just write as if you're writing on a line in your LOL book. Question 3. Can you read it with me? What day comes after Monday? Can you tell somebody in your house what day you think comes after Monday? Let's have a look. Here's Monday on our chart. Remember, to find the day after, we need to go down the chart. So down 1, what day is that? Tuesday. Tuesday. We can use our phonics skills to help us to work out what each day says, can't we? If I just show you on this one, I can zip some digraphs in here. Even though we're doing maths, our phonics is still really useful. So it says Tuesday. And question 4. What day comes before Sunday? Before Sunday. Can you find Sunday on the chart? It's at the top, isn't it? So how can we go up a day to find the one before? Well, the answer is we're going up, we go all the way down to the bottom again and start again. So it's Saturday. The day before Sunday is Saturday. Saturday. Okay, so you'll see I haven't written out all the words in the question. I've just written the day that is the answer to my questions. So let's do one together now. So have you got your WE in your book? Let's read the question. What day comes before Wednesday? Can you find Wednesday? Here it is, look. Which way are we going to move to do before Wednesday? We're not going to go down. We don't want Wednesday, Thursday. We don't want the day after. We want the day before. Tuesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. So in your book, if you've got your WE, can you write Tuesday? Okay, if you're not quite done, pause the video while you're doing that. So here's some questions for you to do. Again, all you have to do is read the question carefully. All of number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are asking for the days that come before a certain day. And questions 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are asking for the day that comes after a certain day. Okay, if you need some help, you could always write out the days of the week in order while you're working it out. Maybe if I did that here, you could use this chart to help you to find the answers. So I'm quickly going to write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. So that's not the answers, that's just a chart showing the days in order to help you to work out the answers to the question. So pause the video while you're working out the answers, and I'll come back in a minute and tell you what the answers are. Right then, the day that comes before Monday is Sunday. The day that comes before Thursday is Wednesday. Number 3, the day that comes before Tuesday, if I go up the chart, is Monday. Number 4, the day that comes before Saturday is Friday. And the day that comes before Wednesday is Tuesday. Number 6, the day that comes after Tuesday is Wednesday. The day that comes after Sunday is Monday. Number 8, the day that comes after Friday is Saturday. Number 9, the day that comes after Wednesday is Thursday. And number 10, the day that comes after Monday is Tuesday. Okay, well done if you got them right. So we're now going to have a look at some numbers. So can you write the new title in your book, Numbers, and then WE? Pause the video while you do that. Okay, so here we go. What we've got in question 1 is the number 15. And what we're going to do is see if we can use this chart at the bottom to find the number in digits, and underneath it will be how to write that number as a word. So 15, 1 then 5, here it is, 1 then 5, and underneath it, 15. So I need to be really careful to copy that carefully, because we know lots of different ways to write some sounds, like E could be E-E, E-A, E-Y. You've got to look carefully. In teen, it's 2 E's. 15. So number 2, I'm going to do it silently. I'm going to look for the number and write it. Okay, so it was number 19. I found it on the chart, and the word underneath it, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. It's got a split vowel digraph in it, look, split vowel I. So number 3, I wonder if you can beat me to it. Can you find 9 on the chart and say how to spell it? See if I can catch up with you. 9, there it is. The word 9 is spelled N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. And can you do number 4 before I do? Can you find number 12 and work out how to spell it? Here it is down at the bottom, look. A 1 and a 2 next to each other to make 12. The word 12 is spelled T-W-E-L-V-E. So I've looked really carefully on my chart. So let's do this one together. The number in the worked example says 8. So have a look for it on the chart, number 8. And can you read the spelling? The word 8 is spelt E-I-G-H-T. So let's write that down. The word 8 is spelt E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay, so here's some for you to do. You've got to look for the numbers and see if you can write how to spell them as words. Okay, you can pause the video while you're having a go and come back in a minute and see the answers. Okay then, so question 1 had number 1, so that's O-N-E. Question 2 was number 4. F-O-U-R. Question 3 said 10. That's T-E-N. Question 4 was 3. T-H-R-E-E. And question 5 was 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Okay, what I'd like you to do is get an adult in your house to see if they can help you check whether you got the spellings of all these numbers right as well. I bet you did. Okay, so we've just got a bit of reasoning to do. It says, which word spells this number? I want you to recognise that number. Is it spelling A or spelling B? Well, I'll do this one. I think that's number 8, isn't it? Find it. Look underneath it. The word 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T. It's not this one, is it? E-I-G-H-T. It's A that's correct. And here's one for you to do, just to finish us off. Which word spells that number there? Did you find the number? The word 19 is spelt N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Here it is, look. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. The answer was A. All right then, I'll see you again tomorrow for another lesson. Bye.